We're doing it on Omega. Okay, this is 352 part 1. This is versus Mystic Mind. DRYTRON versus Mystic Mind. I did not want to scoop. I'm just gonna let it play. It's gonna be a long one. I thought he was playing Labyrinth of Nightmare for a second. Dang, Macrocosmos, Dark Sacrifice, what? Hold on, Dark Sacrifice? Okay. I thought that was a counter trap. I think I won this one. I think I asked him what deck he was playing. It's like some sort of janky Mystic Mind. Alright. Part 2. Part 2, it just burns me. Burns me to the Shadow Realm. I got the Twin Twister, but that did not help. Field Barrier. Twin Twister and Field Barrier with Mystic Mind. Mystic Mind still, let's see, that's what happened right there. Oh no, he Dark Bribed it. I think I screwed up somewhere here. Yeah, right there. I had no monsters and a Nightmare Phoenix, and I'm like, oh, I messed up. Like that just, it was over from here. I stuck around and burned to death. Maybe he was gonna disconnect or something. I did not want to surrender. Right there. It protected Mystic Mind. Field Barrier. I was gonna be destroyed at the same time. I should have went Twin Twister and popped that and Macrocosmos. And with this, he called Meteonus DRYTRON. The heck did he grab? This was the beginning of the end with Cauldron of the Old Man. He said he feels bad playing this deck, but I was like, that's okay. Deck's a deck, does what it does. Turn 25. Oh my god. Ouch. Whoa. That's one apiece. And then right here. Once again, I did not want to surrender. He's kaiju'd my dragoon. What? Metaverse, yep. Prohibition he called Twin Twister. Macrocosmos. Wow. Off the Boral Sword. I drew the Twin Twister, but I can't even set the Twin Twister with Prohibition. I did not know that. Taking more damage now. And he could have finished me off right away, but he wanted to get rid of the Boral Sword and just screw around a bit here, see what he draws, and then finally, oh, burned me to death. Mystic Mine wins, or Niko wins. I wrote down his name. It doesn't say his name or the rarity. And yeah, there's a deck profile. I was able to get his deck profile. Once again, you just go to decks, pick, go to deck, select deck. What? Oh, I already have his deck. Oh yeah. What? Alright. We're at 1491's 1477. Still at 178, and his deck is mine right here. Jeez. And then you just had some random stuff here. Cyber Dragon. Is he able to go to Utopia? No. Yeah, just some random stuff. Wiretap. Red Reboot. The third Prohibition. Cosmic Cyclone. Kaiju, and more kaijus. comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.